Okay. Students, if you happen to look into your modules also, students, the formulas. And they are given on page number, as I told you earlier also, on page number 27 and 28, students. Okay, so please do remember these mathematical relations, students. Okay. I'll just repeat the ones which I had done it earlier also. Suppose if in case if I happen to consider y and I want to differentiate y with respect to x, so I'll write on dy by dx, students. Okay, where y is a function we consider, okay, and x is a variable. This variable will certainly have limits. Now, when I speak about x raised to n students, and if I want to differentiate x raised to n students, so what exactly my formula will be?
N into x raised to n minus
X.
1.
Very good. X raised to n into x raised to n minus 1 becomes. If in case if I speak about for a constant, suppose if I ask you differentiate a particular constant, suppose if I say k is a constant. K a
0.
constant. Absolutely correct. It will be simply 0 we consider. But listen carefully. Suppose if I give you k into x raised to n.
So k will come out and will differentiate x raised to n.
Very good, very good. तो k बाहर आ जाएगा और अगर मैं डिफरेंशिएट करूंगा x raised to n तो x raised to n का फॉर्मूला क्या है मेरे हाथ में?
nx raised to n minus 1.
और ब्रैकेट डालना मत भूलना स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज गो फॉर योर प्रॉपर मैथ्स। हाँ, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स की गलतियां क्या होती है, दे नो द फॉर्मूला स्टूडेंट्स। ओके, they know the formula, but it's because of the brackets when they put it, they do not put it properly in that case. So it's n into x raised to n minus 1. Okay, that is for a constant we consider. Now we go for further at students. If I happen to suppose if I happen to give you a trigonometrical term, for example, sin x, and if I ask you
Minus cos x.
sin x is students plus cos x. Differentiating sin x will be always plus cos. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. Are you getting it? That is what later on we'll be speaking about in that case. If in case if I happen to speak about for sin x students, my answer will be in terms of positive students. Do keep in mind. And kindly look into your modules also on page number, as if I told you 27. Okay. Differentiating sin x we consider simply I'll consider will be cos x. We take it. Now suppose if I happen to give you a simple relation for it. The answer is students. How do I convince y is equal to sin x? अगर कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन दिया है, इसको डिफरेंशिएट करना है, तो क्या लिखोगे? Differentiating y with respect to x करना है ना? ध्यान से सुनो स्टूडेंट्स, तो क्या लिखूंगा मैं? dy by dx. तो differentiating sin x by dx हो जाएगा। क्या इतना क्लियर है सबको? Agreed?
Yes.
Now, once when you do this, students, you should know the formula for this, because without getting the formula, you'll not be able to crack the question very easily. So what is differentiating sin x? I'll get it will be equal to plus cos x, and that's the answer. तो तुम्हारा आंसर cos x होगा. Now suppose if I give you, listen carefully students. अगर मैंने दिया, ध्यान से सुनना, y is equal to sin theta दिया, because an angle is measured in terms of theta. Now suppose if I say students differentiate y with respect to theta, यानी y function x is a variable, x के limits होंगे. तो y
Cos theta.
Plus cos theta.
Yes. So what exactly I'll write down? dy by d theta लिखूंगा मैं students. ये देखो y with respect to theta. यानी students एक ही पैटर्न को मत ध्यान में रखना. अगर मैंने बोला differentiate y with respect to, so most of the students, since we are differentiating with respect to x throughout, a mental block is there for the students that they keep it throughout with respect to x itself only. At times it will be changed. So in that time, don't try to panic and how to go about dy by d theta क्या होगा? So differentiating sin theta by d theta. What is differentiating sin theta by d theta? So that is plus cos theta. पीछे मैंने कुछ नहीं लिखा, क्यों? क्योंकि वो d theta by dt आएगा, d theta by d theta ही आएगा, कैंसिल होगा. यहाँ पे भी मैं लिखूंगा तो what exactly it's dx by dx आ जाएगा, which I'm not showing it. That's why we do not put the latter part of it. When we differentiate with the same term, यानी अगर तुम्हारा function को differentiate करना है with respect to the term for the variable part of it, exactly same part of it, then the last term will be into 1. Now see, I'm trying to change this up. Now suppose students, if I say y is equal to sine theta, everybody please consider this is a very important example. But now अगर मैंने पूछा students differentiate y with respect to t, तो क्या?
So she will differentiate sin theta with respect to y, then with respect.
So what do you use? Chain rule, which I told in the last lecture. If you recollect, अगर मुझे dy by dt चाहिए, तो how do I consider in this case? How do I consider this case? So dy by dt चाहिए, तो can I run first differentiating dy by d theta into dt we consider in terms of it? I
So
getting
d
it?
theta.
Theta
I consider dy by dt and I consider d theta, and upon d theta I consider in this case. Now अभी देखो, now listen carefully. ये देखो, ये पार्ट आएगा मेरा dy by d theta यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, into d theta by dt हो जाएगा. Now can I differentiate this y with respect to theta? Differentiating sin theta with respect to d theta. पीछे क्या होगा? d theta by dt. What is differentiating sin theta, students? With respect to
Cos
d theta?
theta.
Cos theta. लेकिन पीछे क्या है?
D
d
theta by
theta
dt.
by dt will be as it is. So what's your answer for this? Differentiating dy by dt will be equal to what? Cos theta into
Cos
d.
theta d theta by dt.
This is very important. Is this part clear with all the students, whoever are into the sessions, please?
yes
Sir,
sir.
can you explain it?
This I made it very clear. Last time मैंने बताया, इसलिए मुझे थोड़ा go through करना. ध्यान से सुनना. I'm giving you 3 ways of representing it. First, second, and third. First, वापस बोल रहा हूँ students. All of you will consider. First वाला क्या था? Sir, differentiating y with respect to x था, वो तो बहुत easy हो जाएगा. क्योंकि last time तुम्हारा the variable x है, तो differentiating sin x with respect to x, that will be plus cos x होगा. Now suppose if I say y is going to sin theta, differentiating y with respect to theta, I'm getting it with the same variable we consider. So differentiating sin theta will be cos theta because this is d theta. But now if I say differentiating y with respect to it, means I want dy by dt. So what do I do? I'll take dy by dt multiply by d theta and d theta. And you multiply numerator and denominator by the same term. Are you getting it?
But sir, in the chain rule, we did it as dx upon dt.
My dear, I can get the variable as x. I can take function x. I can take function y. इसलिए वाला मेंटल ब्लॉक मत करो. तुम्हारा इक्वेशन अगर y में दिया होगा तो dy होगा. अगर तुम्हारा इक्वेशन x में होगा तो x फंक्शन बन जाता है.
Okay, sir.
Function can change. Function can change. X and y. What I told you in that case. These are relation of what? These are relation of a graphical representation. X axis, y axis. जरूरी नहीं कि हमेशा वो y को ही फंक्शन बना सकते हो, x को भी बना सकते हैं. I get it? तो यहाँ पे
Yes,
तुम्हारे
sir.
वेरिएबल चेंज हो सकते हैं. Is this clear with all of you all?
Yes, sir.
Students, all of you all the students who went to the meeting, around 26 students are there. 26 students
Yes,
are there. Maybe 2 or 3 are still not yet in. Okay, so please take care of it. तो मैंने क्या किया, d theta by d theta ले लिया. अभी ध्यान से सुनो students. Differentiating dy by d theta, यानी differentiating sin theta by d theta, यानी मेरा ऊपर वाला कंसेप्ट आ जाएगा. उसका आंसर क्या था? cos theta आया. But now if I happen to consider what is d theta by dt, ये वाला फंक्शन मैंने पीछे लिख दिया. So that is d theta by dt. So what is my final answer? If somebody asks you if y is equal to sin theta, differentiating y with respect to t, then my answer is dy by dt is equal to cos theta into d theta by dt. Is this clear with everybody? All the students
Yes,
who
sir.
are in the lectures, all of you all.
Yes sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Yes sir.
fine, good. Still I'm not raising it up. Please ये लिख के रखना. Are you getting it? एक दफे लिख लो, that will be really good for you all. Okay, so that you will understand how to go out with such kind of questions. Students, is the audio and video fine with you all of you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, suppose if in case if I happen to go for, if I give you one more question, let me put forward in this manner. This is sin x and cos x we consider. Suppose if I happen to go for other one. Suppose if I happen to go for cos x.
Minus sin x.
sin x.
Absolutely. अगर मैंने differentiating cos x लिया, लेकिन with respect to what we consider x only, तो ये आंसर होगा minus sin x. Agreed? Absolutely correct, आदर्शली. अभी देखो, suppose now see one thing students. अब मैं जानबूझ के ये दो नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ये दो easy है. Orally भी कर सकते हो. Y is equal to cos x dy by dx differentiating cos x minus sin x. अगर मैंने differentiate with respect to theta लिया, तो dy by d theta क्या हो जाएगा? Differentiating cos theta with respect to cos x we consider in terms of we consider x, but now it is cos theta by d theta. Agreed? That will be minus sin theta. But now suppose if I give you a question, listen carefully. If I give you a question, y is equal to cos theta, students. And my question is differentiate y with respect to t. So first step क्या होगा? Everybody can you tell me what the first step?
dy by d theta into d theta by d.
Yes, I want differentiating y with respect to dy by dt. That's my subject. Equal to, agreed. So how do I represent dy by dt? So you multiply by d theta in the numerator and denominator d theta. तो तुम क्या करोगे? इसको पहले differentiate करो with respect to d theta. यानी इसको मैं आगे लिखता हूँ, ध्यान से देखना स्टूडेंट्स. dy by d theta को साथ में लिखूंगा, d theta by dt को पीछे लिखूंगा. Students, what is differentiating y with respect to theta? Means differentiating
I
cos
is
theta. See how I'm putting it. Y की जगह पे cos theta लिखूंगा and see the way, the steps I'm putting it. Many students, what happens, when they understand these things, they don't show so many steps. They directly put down the answer. लेकिन वो कभी possible होगा जब भी तुम्हारा practice थोड़ा सा होगा, you know the formulas very thoroughly, then you can get it. लेकिन जब तक अगर formulas thorough नहीं है, go gradual, go step by step, nothing to worry about it, but get your answer correct. Students, when you're solving calculus part of it, your confidence will rise when you're getting that answer part of it correct. भले उसको 2 minutes ज़्यादा लगे, nothing to worry about it. But once when you start getting the answer correct, your confidence will certainly increase. So differentiating cos theta with respect to d theta into d theta by dt. What is differentiating cos theta will be? So minus sin theta into d theta by dt. And that's your final answer. Is this clear, students?
Yes, sir.
All of you all the students. Can I erase now? Can I erase all the students? Okay. Soumya wants to write it. Yes. Soumya, can I erase now? Thank you. Okay. Most welcome, Soumya. Okay, now I'm giving you the formulas straight away. Okay, sin x we got it, cos x is minus sin x. Students, we consider. Now, suppose if I happen to go for tan x, so what is differentiating tan x?
Six.
With
Sec
respect
square x.
the answer is sec square x. Is that clear? Then if I happen to go for differentiating cot x, students, you'll get the answer as what?
Minus cos x
Minus cosec square x.
Square x. And sec x we consider will be equal to what?
sec x tan x.
Tan x.
Tan x. Agreed. Cosec x we consider is
Minus cos x cos x.
into cot x. Is that clear? Now, students, when I'm going for trigger, abhi the answer sunna, students, okay? See, one thing, the formulas which have been given to you is for overall, for all the students we consider for JEE as well as for entrance and for advance also need. But I can tell you very clearly, students, jahan tak tumhara need ka sawal hai, students, most of the MCQs are restricted with sine, cos, and tan. For problems based out of physics for need students. Very rarely, I know maybe out of another 20 MCQs उसमें से शायद कोई एक आधा इसमें से होगा तो. But these are the ones which a student should never ever forget. These are the ones which you have to take care of it. Now, when I move further, also with respect to e raised to x, exponential वाले e raised to x, e is a constant we consider. तो अगर किसी ने differentiate e raised to x पूछा ना, it's a constant, students. ये constant है, तो what exactly?
E raised to
Yeah,
x.
e raised to x itself
E
only.
raised to x.
I'm having a variable x in that case, differentiating with respect to it. If I say a raised to x, students, then what exactly I'm getting it? Differentiating a raised to x. So it will be a raised
To
to
x
x,
dot ln a.
ln a, ln a. Now, can I write on this as what? How do I write on this? Sir, a raised to x. How do I write on ln a?
Log A.
Log of
A
a to the base of e. Can I run to the base of 10?
2.303 log A to the base of 10.
Very good. 2.303 log of a to the base of 10. That this a can be any number. It can be 3, 4, 5, 2. Agreed? That's what we consider. And log of 2 to the base of 10 already I have given you 0.3010. अगर किसी ने most of the times when given a को 2 दे देता है वो. तो अगर किसी ने पूछा log of 2 to the base of 10 क्या होगा? 0.3010. Agreed? So do keep in mind that's a raised to x we consider. Is that clear? The next, if I happen to consider differentiating ln x, students. Differentiating ln x. ln x. Simply, this is one we consider as 1 by x, students. 800. So differentiating ln x will be 1 by x we consider. Is that clear? So these are the basic formulas which a student should keep in mind. Now, other than this, you have certain derivatives of certain functions we consider. Just as sum and difference wala hoga, product rule hoga, quotient rule. There are 3 more rules coming into it, students. First one is sum and difference. Second one is product rule, and the third one is quotient rule. What exactly sum and difference? The answer sooner, students. Suppose agar maine do terms diye, everybody listen carefully. If I'm giving you u plus v or u minus v. If I give you 2 mathematical expressions, whether it's positive or negative, ये mathematical expression में बोलो, लेकिन अगर तुम physics के हिसाब से देखो तो उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? उसका मतलब तुरंत तुम्हारे दिमाग में एक इक्वेशन आना चाहिए. सर अगर मैं लिखूं v square minus u square is equal to 2s, तो नेगेटिव साइन आ गया. ये तो ना फर्स्ट टर्म में सेकंड टर्म. यानी अगर डिफरेंस वाले इक्वेशन हुए या ut plus half a t square, अरे सर समेशन आ गया. तो इनका जो डेरिवेटिव्स निकालना है वो कैसे निकालोगे? इसका डिफरेंशिएशन तुम कैसे करोगे? अभी तुम ध्यान से देखो. दैट्स व्हाट. अगर सपोज मैंने ये इक्वेशन दिया है तो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन टू व्हाट विल बी द लिमिट्स इन दैट, व्हाट विल बी द वेरिएबल जिसको डिफरेंशिएट करना है. इसको देखोगे तो तुम्हें वेरिएबल वो हिसाब से सिलेक्ट होगा या बोला गया होगा. तो whenever you go for sum and difference method, just try to look at the expression which is given to you. So now the basic formula for u plus or minus v method, students. That means now my question will be what? Listen carefully, students. If I give you y as u plus or minus v, agreed, students? Then how do I differentiate dy by dx? Suppose if I want to differentiate this with respect to x. So what I'll do? The answer is now. Yes. Anybody?
First, you can differentiate u and then plus or minus and differentiate.
एब्सोल्युटली, यानी देखो डिफरेंशिएशन में बहुत ही शांति से करना स्टूडेंट्स। सिंपल तुम्हें दिख रहा है कि पहला टर्म u है, दूसरा टर्म v है, तो इसको डिफरेंशिएट करो सेपरेटली, du by dx
प्लस और माइनस dv by dx
आएगा, एग्रीड, dv by dx, यानी अगर तुम्हारा पॉजिटिव होगा तो ऊपर पॉजिटिव लेना, नेगेटिव होगा तो नेगेटिव आएगा। ये तुम्हारा आंसर होगा किसका, dy by dx। क्या ये क्लियर हुआ सबको? Is this clear with everyone?
yes sir
Yes,
Now,
sir.
इसी के नीचे मैं एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ, इसी के नीचे I'm trying to put forward an example. Please, everybody over here, is that clear? Suppose if I give you students y is equal to 2x minus 5. My question is, students, differentiate dy by dx. क्या आंसर होगा?
Sir, 2.
Absolutely correct. Who gave the answer?
Yes, sir.
Sanjana, you gave the answer.
Yes, sir.
देखो, so fast उसको solve करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी। Now see, Adishini also is giving the answer. क्यों? क्योंकि सर ये u माइनस v का मेथड है। आप अगर सेपरेट, और जो स्टूडेंट्स को थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है, नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट इट स्टूडेंट्स, उसको सॉल्व करो ना मैथमेटिकली, डजंट मैटर। सर ने बोला था u और v है, माइनस साइन है, तो इसको डिफरेंशिएट करो लाइक अ स्मॉल किड, यू राइट डाउन, डजंट मैटर, डिफरेंशिएटिंग 2x by dx, फिर लिखोगे माइनस डिफरेंशिएटिंग 5 by dx, लिखो ना 5, लिखो ना, नो प्रॉब्लम इन दैट केस। अभी देखो 2x है तो 2 क्या होगा सर, 2 तो कांस्टेंट है, यानी यहाँ पे कौन सा रूल आएगा सर, ये वाला आएगा, kx होगा, यानी x is to 1 है, x is to 1 है, तो k तो कांस्टेंट है, k बार आ जाएगा, लुक ओवर हियर, साइमल्टेनियसली फॉर्मूला सामने ही है, तो सर k बार आएगा तो यहाँ पे 2 बार आएगा, x is to 1 we consider, is that clear? We consider in this case. So what is x raised to 1? 1 minus 1 will be 0, x raised to 0, any number is to the power of 0, what's the answer? 1. Agreed? आंसर देखना, डिफरेंशिएटिंग, और तुम डिफरेंशिएट करोगे कि नहीं, dx by dx का आंसर हो जाएगा, आंसर इज 1 माइनस व्हाट इज डिफरेंशिएटिंग 5, दिस इज सिंपली अ कांस्टेंट,
0.
डिफरेंशिएटिंग का कांस्टेंट इज ऑलवेज 0, तो क्या होगा, व्हाट्स माय आंसर इज 2। क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स सबको?
Yes,
स्टूडेंट्स ये
sir.
clear हुआ?
Yes.
Everybody, all the students who are into the meeting, all 29 students who are into the meeting, few students have came in late. Vidipal was on something class or something 11th or what exactly she also he or she also has come in late. Okay, is this clear with all of you all? Please, fine.
Yes, sir.
Fine. अभी आंसर सुनना, अभी आंसर, अगर इसी को मैंने प्लस में लिया होता तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं ना, प्लस डालो, फिर मेरा आंसर 2 है। अभी मैं थोड़ा सा इसको और थोड़ा सा और ट्रिकी बनाते हैं। ओके, यही क्वेश्चन को आई एम इरेजिंग दिस पार्ट, नाउ इफ आई राइट डाउन, चलो तो अब इसको कैसे करोगे?
sir
One
4x
who raises his hand first. One who raises his hand first. Oh, Sneha. Sneha is the one who raised it. Sanjana, you are late. Fraction second. Yes, sir. Yes, Sneha.
so sir according to the formula we do that, but here since it is given 2x square, here we use the formula k raised to x here, so the 2 will come out, so it will be 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1 plus 5
Okay.
would be differentiating 5 would be 0.
So what's your answer? Final answer will be
4x.
absolutely correct. देखो जिसको ये रिदम में आ गया ना, पैटर्न समझ में आ गया, you don't have to worry about it. फिर वो डायरेक्टली आंसर लिख लेते हैं। Okay, so now if I want to know those students who are still slightly slow in this, don't worry, let us go for this. सर आपने डिफरेंशिएट तो पहले, अगर एक सिंपल लगे ना डिफरेंशिएट बाय, यानी पूरे को लिखूंगा मैं, चलो पूरे को लिख दो, बाय dx, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। अभी हम क्या करेंगे, dy by dx, डिफरेंशिएट यानी सर दो टर्म्स है, दो टर्म्स यानी u प्लस भी आया है, तो इसको सेपरेट करो, इसको सेपरेट करो, डिफरेंशिएटिंग 2x स्क्वायर बाय dx प्लस डिफरेंशिएटिंग 5 बाय dx, एग्रीड। अब यहाँ पे देखो कांस्टेंट टर्म आया, यानी ये वाला टर्म जैसे दिख रहा है, ये फॉर्मूला दिख रहा है, तो k बार आ गया, तो 2 को बार ले लो, फिर क्या होगा, डिफरेंशिएटिंग x स्क्वायर, डिफरेंशिएटिंग x रेज़ टू n, व्हाट इज डिफरेंशिएटिंग x रेज़ टू n, n into x रेज़ टू n minus 1, n इज एन इंटीजर, तो यहाँ पे इंटीजर 2 है, तो मेरा 2 आगे जाएगा, x रेज़ टू n minus 1, 2 minus 1 प्लस डिफरेंशिएटिंग किया 5 5 is a constant, उसका आंसर 0 हो जाएगा. So what's my answer, students? X raised to 2 minus 1 will be 1. 2 2s are 4x plus 0. My answer is 4x. क्या ये clear हुआ, students?
Yes, sir.
All of you all. Not
Yes.
1, 2, and 3. All the students who are into the meeting. Okay. अगर तुम्हारा ये कॉन्फिडेंस बनेगा तो टेक इट फ्रॉम, इसके बाद में जब मैं प्रॉब्लम्स बोलूंगा तो तुम्हें क्रैक होना चाहिए. आज डेरिवेटिव्स तुम्हारा कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. विल स्टार्ट विद इंटीग्रेशन आल्सो. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर इंटीग्रेशन आल्सो विल बी डन. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. लेकिन जो कुछ भी कर रहे हो ध्यान से शांति से समझ के कर. यू आर नॉट रनिंग एनीवेयर. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके.
Yes.
कैन आई erase this part? Can I erase this part? And please,
1 minute.
लिखना है तो तुरंत लिखो. डोंट वेस्ट मच टाइम इन राइटिंग. ओके. Okay, shall I proceed now?
Yes, sir.
अभी देखो, अभी थोड़ा सा और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, थोड़ा सा और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होता है. 2x, students, 2x raised to 2 by 3, x raised to 2 by 3 minus 5x square plus x plus 7. है ना? 1 2 3 4. Nothing to worry. U V W Z. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं स्टूडेंट्स. सबको क्या करना है? सेपरेटली डिफरेंशिएट करना है. खत्म हो गया. साइंस जो है वो एग्जैक्टली वैसे की वैसे रखती है साइंस. ये भी साइन एग्जैक्टली वैसे वैसे होगी. यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट दैट. ये भी साइन तुम्हारी वैसे की वैसी होगी. यानी हाउ डू द कॉम्प्लिकेशन अराइज? दी आदर्शनी यू आर द वन हु आर आंसरिंग नाउ क्वाइट ऑफन. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. let's see whether the answer is matching up with the solution. She has already posted the answer. Okay, fine. Let's see. Now that's just enough. अभी देखो ये 3 terms है. Anybody who wants to try it out? You can unmute and you want to try it out?
Sir, can I?
Okay, बोलो. Yeah.
Sir, your 2x raised to 2 by 3.
Okay.
It will be 2 by 3.
Okay, now wait a second. Students, what am I doing? Those students who are still on the process of understanding, what am I trying to do? Now I'm not going to run the entire. मैं क्या लिखूंगा? Separately सबको differentiate करूंगा. इसका differentiating का आंसर लिखूंगा, इसका differentiation का आंसर लिखूंगा, इसका differentiate और इसका differentiate. So first we are trying to differentiate 2x raised to 2 by 3. Sneha, can you tell me इसके लिए कौन सा formula use होगा on the left hand side?
Sir, k
ऊपर
raised
से
to x square.
पहला, दूसरा या तीसरा?
Sir,
This is the
third one.
first one. This is the first one.
Sir, third one.
Okay, the third one. That's what she's saying it. यानी those students who are listening to me and listening to her, you can look. ये पहला है तो ये दूसरा हुआ, तीसरा हुआ. ये नौवा हो जाएगा. Are you getting it? Don't work out in this manner. So this is what it is. Now tell me how to go about.
Sir, 2 will be constant, so you can use 2 out, and 2 into 2 by 3 into x raised to 2 by 3 minus 1.
Very good.
Next will be minus 5x square. So
Now
write
she's trying to differentiate this part. Okay, so minus 5.
so minus 5 into 2 into
Okay.
x raised to 2 minus 1, which would be x,
Okay.
plus 1.
Plus differentiating x, यानी dx by dx. Dx by dx. What is dx by dx will be? 1 I'll consider.
Plus 0.
Differentiating a constant will be 0. Now see, the way she has done it. अगर तुम इसको solve करो तो क्या होगा? So 2 2s are 4, 4 by 3. Agreed. ये x raised to 2 by 3 minus 1 तो क्या होगा? X raised to 2
X
by
raised
3
to
minus
minus 1.
हाँ, so x raised to 2 minus 3, so minus 1 by 3 होगा. Agreed. Minus 5 2s are 10. X हो जाएगा. I getting it? Plus 1. Is this clear to all of you all?
Yes, sir.
All of you all students. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now my answer is what? 4 by 3.
Cube
X
root of
raised to
x.
minus 1 by 3. X raised to minus 1 by 3. Can I write on upon 1 upon x raised to 1 by 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Laws of indices. What is laws of indices, students? A raised to minus m. Can I put 1 upon a raised to m?
Yes.
Yes.
तो ये क्या होगा 1 upon, तो ये क्या होगा, ये होगा cube root of x. Agreed?
Yes.
Minus 10x plus 1 and that is your answer. इसको तुम आगे सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते हो, बस ये तुम्हारा आंसर होगा. समझ में आ रहा है स्टूडेंट्स? Are you getting it? If I'm giving you 3 terms, is this clear with all of you?
Yes, sir.
Once again, 2 as it is, differentiating x raised to 2 by 3 यानी 2 by 3 आ गया है, ये वाला फॉर्मूला आ गया. I getting it? So n वाला आ गया 2 by 3 आ गया, x raised to 2 by 3 minus 1. Now see minus 5 x square, 2 will be ahead, so 2 is ahead. X raised to 2 minus 1, x raised to 2 minus 1. Differentiating only x, so dx by dx will be 1. Constant terms cannot be differentiating, and that's how we got the answer. Is this clear to all the students who are into the meeting?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Aditi. Okay, Ada, Gauri, Aditi has given the answer. It's Janani, Gauri, Khyati, Meera. What about you? Please show the thumbs up. Those who are getting it. Meera, are you getting it? Naina. What about Om? Om, are you
Yes,
getting
sir.
it? Parthvi, today not responding. What happened? Getting it, Parthvi?
Yes, I'm getting it.
Okay, fine. Yana, where is Yana? Vidhi? Yana, are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Shreeyas, what exactly Shreeyas? What about you, Shreeyas? Shreeyas, can you listen me? Can you hear me? Okay, he's not able to. Now the answer is no, students. अभी मैं इसको थोड़ा सा change करता हूँ. अभी यही expression को change करता हूँ. I'm removing this entirely. Now students listen carefully, okay? Using the same method, okay? So now suppose if I give you students y is equal to, I'll give you 3 sin x minus 4 cos x. My question is students differentiating dy by dx. Chalo. One who raises the hand first will be given a chance. One raises the hand first. Okay, Sneha is the one. Then comes Khyati, then comes Sanjana, and then Aditi. Yes, Sneha, bolo.
Sir, it would be 3 cos x plus 4 sin x.
Absolutely. So, यहाँ पे तुम्हारा क्या होगा? 3 as it is आएगा. See, अगर मुझे पूरा चाहिए तो मैं क्या करूँगा? पहले क्या करूँगा? Differentiate पूरा. चलो, this I'm solving it completely step wise. So differentiating 3 sin x minus 4 cos x by dx, students. Agreed? तो तुम क्या करोगे? उससे separately करो ना, UV method. Differentiating 3 sin x by dx. ये minus sign है, students. Don't change the sign. Minus sign will be as it is. Differentiating 4 cos x by dx. Now, when I speak about what exactly 3 is a constant, and sin x we consider as what? It's a variable we consider. We are trying to have a change in the variable x. तो तुम 3 constant है तो 3 बार आ जाएगा. अगर तुमने 3 बार ले लिया तो बचा क्या students? What? Differentiating sin x and with respect to x. It's differentiating sin x with respect to x. Students, what is differentiating sin x with respect to x? What's your answer?
Cos x.
See? तो यहाँ पे होगा plus cos x. ये minus sign वैसे ही है. 4 as it is. Because that's a constant which are coming out. Then you have differentiating cos x. What is differentiating cos x, students?
Minus sin x.
sin x.
Minus sin x. So what's my answer will be 3 cos x minus into minus
Plus
plus
4 sin x.
sin x. That's your answer for this. That means, students, a person who's listening and hearing it to me and noting down the
Minus
things.
9x.
Pardon? Should see to it that unless and until you don't remember these mathematical formulas, you will not be able to crack a single question on derivatives or further in integration. The way you remember your tables, वैसे ही तुम्हें इसको याद रखना. And if you remember, you'll be able to crack. And if you don't remember, it's all forgotten. So this is very important for a student to keep in mind. Okay. Shall I go with the next one? Next mathematical
Yes,
relation.
Sir,
sir.
so we
Okay.
always take a number as a constant. If they have given a numerical value, so that is taken as constant.
k x raised to n है ना, k is a constant, तो k को बाहर ही निकाल देना, तो यहाँ पे concentrate करना.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Why do you forget this? This is what it is ना. यहाँ पे तेरा match नहीं हो रहा है. When you look at an equation, try to match up with the mathematical relations. Everything is in front of you. ये जो x raised to n यानी actually sin x लिया. अभी देखो, चलो ध्यान दीजिए ना. अभी देखो, students, sin square x मैंने दिया. चलो, ये निकाल देता हूँ मैं. चलो, इसको solve करो. और मैंने क्वेश्चन दिया dy by dx. Come on, who's the most intelligent one? Adarshi, you have put the answer, but my dear, it's so fast you're trying to put forward. ध्यान से सुनना स्टूडेंट्स. अभी देखो, सबसे पहले मैं ये इक्वेशन को वापस कैसे लिखूंगा, ध्यान से देखना. 3 sin x the whole square. Can I say sin square x is sin x the whole square, which all of you know it in maths? Maths में तुमने
Yes,
पढ़ा है.
sir.
Sin square का मतलब sin x the whole square हुआ. Now if I go for differentiating, यानी तुम क्या कर रहे हो सर, differentiating 3 sin x the whole square by dx. Agree students? क्या ये clear है सबको?
Yes, sir.
इतना clear है? Now constant टर्म क्या होगा सर, 3 बार आएगा. Differentiating क्या होगा, differentiating sin x the whole raised to 2 यानी x raised to 2, तो क्या, what exactly it will be, n into x raised to n minus 1. देखना स्टूडेंट्स, ध्यान से सुनना, ये n है, ये पूरा वेरिएबल x है तुम्हारा. हेलो, तो ये आगे आएगा n into x raised to n minus 1.
Next 2 minus 1.
Somebody Ardashni was so fast to give an answer, लेकिन उसने सोचा नहीं, ध्यान नहीं दिया. तो अगर मैं 2 लेता हूँ, फिर क्या होगा, x raised to n, यानी सर इसका मतलब sin x raised to 2 minus 1. Absolutely correct. And then the last term is still existing now. Then you have differentiating sin x by dx. इसका differentiating बाद में आएगा, यानी ये एक टाइप का चेन रूल ही हो गया स्टूडेंट्स. Differentiating with respect to sin x. तो अभी देखो क्या आंसर है, 3 to the 6 sin x. What is differentiating sin x? Cos x. So what's the answer for this? dy by dx for this will be 6 sin x cos x. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ सबको? Is
Yes,
this
sir.
everybody, all of y'all, not 120. This is very very important. ये बहुत important है, ये बहुत important है. अगर तुमने इसको नहीं ध्यान दिया तो you will get it wrong in that case. Is this clear with everybody?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you re-explain this last one? I got
No,
this.
I saw that you were out in the meeting, है ना?
Yes, sir. Actually, I got disconnected.
Okay, fine, doesn't matter. I was trying to say that suppose if in case if they give you an expression, for example, y is equal to 3 sin square x, and I want to differentiate only this, तो क्या करोगे तुम? Sin square x का मतलब 3 into sin x the whole square. Agreed? 3 into sin x the whole square. अगर
Yes,
इसको
sir.
मुझे डिफरेंशिएट करना है तो मैंने पूरा टर्म लिख दिया, by dx ले लिया. अभी इसको तुम क्या करोगे ना स्टूडेंट्स, you try to match up this ना. You match up this with respect to what? k x raised to n. ध्यान से सुनना, ये तुम्हारा k आया, ये तुम्हारा पूरा x आया, ये 2n आ गया. तो फॉर्मूला क्या होगा सर, k बार आएगा, तो k बार आपने ले लिया. n x raised to n minus 1, तो n का मतलब 2 आ गया, x का मतलब sin x आ गया, n minus 1 and 2 minus 1. लेकिन ये sin x तो बचा है ना, then you have to differentiate in terms of sin x. So differentiating sin x by dx. What is differentiating sin x? We consider students plus cos x. So my answer will be 6 sin x cos x. Agreed?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir.
All of y'all. Now
Yes,
suppose if I give you one more question, huh? Right now, okay? Suppose if I give you, and these are the questions I'm giving you from exercise, some of them are from exercise only, okay? अगर मैंने दिया equation students, y is equal to, please everybody try it out, don't give me your answer, Don't give me your answer. You write down your answer. I'm going to solve it, and then later on you'll cross-check your answers. Is this clear? Are all listening to me properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So please. Question is, that's सुनना. Y is equal to 1 और जो आता है भला भले गलत हो लिखो कुछ लिखो बुक के अंदर. If parents are listening to me, please tell your kids to write down the answer. Doesn't matter if it's wrong. I'm going to explain it again. Y is equal to 1 by 4 tan raised to 4x. Chalo. Solve this. I want you to differentiate y with respect to x. Don't give me your answer. Just put down your answers and then I'm going to solve it. Question is y is equal to 1 by 4 10 raised to 4x. Okay, shall I solve?
Done, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
That's it, enough. Differentiate. Everybody listen carefully. Differentiating. So what I'll do? Dy by dx. Differentiating 1 by 4 tan raised to 4x. पूरा steps के साथ में upon dx. That is equal to sir 1 by 4 यानी somewhere it's coming in this manner. Sir 1 by 4 constant आ जाएगा. Agreed. n x raised to n minus 1 n होगा आपका 4 x है आपका tan x 4 minus 1 यानी ऐसे लिखूंगा 4 minus 1 फिर क्या बचेगा तुम्हारे tan क्यूब आएगा लेकिन tan क्यूब नहीं है तुम्हारा सिर्फ tan x ही है तुम्हारा अंदर का टर्म सिर्फ tan x है you did I take that tan cube no I didn't take that part of it I took that only the term inside so differentiating what tan x by dx so now solving it's 1 by 4 sorry this 4 and 4 will get cancelled tan raised to 4 minus 1 and 8 tan cube हो जाएगा tan cube x we consider differentiating tan x what is differentiating tan x
6
6
square.
square x.
square x so my answer for dy by dx is equal to tan cube x in that case is that clear tan cube x in that case into what 6 square x is this clear with everybody are you all getting this answer how many of you are getting this answer how many of you raise your hands those are getting this answer how many students 8 students out of total 28 come on 10 students so Naina, Khyati, Soumya, Suhana, South, Parthvi, Aditi, Sanya, Sneha. What about the rest of them? What about the rest of them? What about the rest of them? Okay, Swati has got it. Tanish has got it. Come on, Adarshini. What about you, Adarshini? You were getting it good answers earlier. Did you get it? Shreyas, what about you? Sana? Yana, what about you, Yana? Yana, you didn't get it? Om?
I was still solving.
Actually, you're still solving. Okay. Then you should have told me your idea. Okay, sir, just wait for a minute. बोलना चाहिए नहीं बोलोगे नहीं तो if you don't cry on time Sana what's going to happen नहीं होगा ना okay fine but did you all understand students okay is this clear students can I erase it
Yes, sir.
okay doesn't matter Adarshni fine Adarshni has got it she doesn't have the option for raising hands okay now I'm going to erase this चलो अभी और एक क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ y is equal to 3 sin cube x minus 4 cos square x differentiate one who gets the answer correct okay First solve it, I'll give you a time and then raise your hands, okay? I'll solve it and then you can cross check your solutions. I'm giving you time. I'm giving you a minute. The time starts now.
Sir, it's cube x sine cube x.
It is sine cube x and this is cos square x. 3 sine cube x minus 4 cos cube x. Aditya is done. Sanjana is done. Suania is done. Aditya is done. Sneha is also done it. Come on, I want maximum students to attempt for it. Bhale galat ho to doesn't matter. The formula is also in front of you. Only I'm keeping it. Examinations में कोई formula नहीं देने वाला है. You have to remember it. Adarshni also must have got it, but she's not able to raise hand. Come on, Ada, Aisha, Gauri, Chanani, what about you, Khyati, Naina, Om, Soumya, Pranshul, Vidhi, Yana, Disha, Parthu is again out. Okay, now let us solve. Let us solve. Okay, I'm solving it for you all. Now, students, when I'm speaking about with respect to differentiate this, what am I trying to go for? So first, it's a constant. मैं थोड़ा सा directly करूँगा. Constant यानी 3 आ जाएगा. Sin cube x यानी constant बाहर गया. Sin cube x यानी 3 तो बाहर आएगा ही. Sin of 3 minus 1. That will be square
Sine
x
square x.
into what? Differentiating sin x will be what?
Cos x.
Cos x. Minus 4 as it is. Cos square x. So 4 as it is. So can I write on 2 outside? That is n. Cos square x. So cos raised to 2 minus 1.
Cos x.
And what is differentiating cos x?
Minus
Sine x.
Now solving it, what exactly my answer will be?
9 sine
9
square
sine
x.
square x cos x
minus 8
Plus-
cos x
plus
Plus
8
8
cos x
cos
sine
x sine x.
Absolutely correct. Now how many of you have got this correct? Now how many? South ko galat mila, South ko galat mila tha. How many of you have got this correct? Okay, now see the number of students. 5 students. यानी students यहीं का यहीं दूध का दूध पानी का पानी. अगर आगे एग्जाम्स होंगे ना तो why certain section of students score? Why certain? God has given brains to everybody. See, Yana is also, I'm happy Yana also got it. Took some time, I gave some extra time. She was able to crack it. Parthu also is there. Good. यानी थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रख के करो ना हो जाएगा तुम्हारे लिए. It's nothing to worry about it. But rest of the students, have you all understood these 6, 7 students though are fine, they are answering. What about the rest of the students? Are you all getting it? Chanani, are you getting it? Chanani, are you getting it? Adishni? Okay. Chanani has sent a message. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to erase this one, okay? So students, let us go for the next formula. ये तो तुम्हारा u plus or minus v मेथड था. अगर तुम बोलोगे ये सम एंड डिफरेंस स्टूडेंट्स, दूसरा मैंने क्या बोला था एक प्रोडक्ट और कोशेंट वो हो जाएगा तो तुम्हारे सारे फॉर्मूला हो गए. उसी के साथ में एग्जांपल्स भी मैं ले रहा हूं स्टूडेंट्स. So you don't have to worry about it how to go about with the problems onto this, okay? Now suppose if I happen to go for the next one, if I happen to go for the product rule, students, what exactly product rule is? Suppose if I give you y is equal to u into v, and if I ask you differentiate dy by dx भी consider. तो क्या करोगे? Differentiating u v by dx. So dy by dx will be equal to differentiating u v by dx. यानी तुम क्या करो, ये प्रोडक्ट है ना, तो इट विल बी समेशन. लेकिन कैसे होगा मालूम? The answer is no. There are two variables. U and v are the two variables. Y is a function. तो तुम क्या करोगे? पहले u को कांस्टेंट पकड़ के चलो. भले वो sin क्यूब x आया है स्टूडेंट्स, भले वो sin क्यूब x है. एवरीबॉडी लिसन केयरफुली. सपोज अगर मैंने दो टर्म दिए होते, पहला वाला मैंने दिया होता 1 माइनस एक्स क्यूब और दूसरा वाला मैंने दिया होता sin क्यूब x. तो 1 माइनस एक्स की वो कांस्टेंट टर्म है, उसको बाहर निकालो. पहले उसको कांस्टेंट रखो. कांस्टेंट नहीं, वो कांस्टेंट को यानी यू कीप दैट एज अ कांस्टेंट. सो आई हैव केप्ट दिस वेरिएबल u as a constant and just differentiate v. Then you have plus sign. Now since you kept u constant, differentiating v, keep now v constant. Differentiating u. So what's my formula? U into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Now first I'll give you a simple question onto this and then we'll go for slightly more complicated. Hope the formula is clear with everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now suppose if I happen to give you a simple question onto this, okay, that is what we consider a simple product kind of it we consider. Okay, suppose if I give you y is equal to sin x into cos x. I want you to differentiate dy. सब अपने आंसर्स निकालो, कोई बोल रहा मैं अपने आंसर्स निकाल दो. मैं 1 मिनट दे रहा हूँ. जो तुम्हें यहाँ पे समझ में आया ना वैसे ही करो. ये दो वेरिएबल्स है u और v. पहले u को कांस्टेंट करो, डिफरेंशिएट v, और फिर v को कांस्टेंट को डिफरेंशिएट u. You put down you write down your answers and then I'm going to solve it and I want to see how many students knows it. Y is equal to sin x into cos x. Okay, 4 students have got. Please now all of you will do it, students. All students. Those students who are not answering at all are the Aisha, Gauri, Yati, Meera is to answer at times. Om, what about you? Naina, Pranshu, Shiyash, answer karo. Sana, Swati, Kanishta used to answer earlier. Disha, Udit, Vidhi, Sparsh, Chakraborty, what about you, Sparsh? Okay, now I'm going to solve, students, okay? Sin x into cos x. तो क्या लिखिएगा फॉर्मूला? सर फॉर्मूला इज u into v मेथड. तो आपने बोला सर इसको हम जब भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन आया स्टूडेंट तो एक लाइक स्मॉल बेबी चलेगा ना, इसको u लिखो ना, इसको v लिखो, ऐसा अपने मन में रखो. सर ने बोला सर u को कांस्टेंट करने पहले मैं sin x लिखूंगा. डिफरेंशिएटिंग cos x. व्हाट इज डिफरेंशिएटिंग cos x?
Minus sign.
Minus sign.
तो मैं डायरेक्टली लिखूंगा माइनस sin x लिखूंगा. फिर प्लस साइन आ रहा है. एग्री. फिर cos x को हम कांस्टेंट इसको डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं. डिफरेंशिएटिंग sin x क्या होगा?
Cos x.
Plus cos x. Now what is my answer? ऐसे minus.
Minus sin square x plus cos square x.
Agreed. Now you have to see the options. Options में शायद उन्होंने लिखा होगा the entire option in sin square या cos square लिखा होगा. Agreed. You can get your answer accordingly. Now how many people have got this answer correct? Raise your hands. Those students who have got it correct, raise your hands. Just 8 students. 9, 10. Good. Good. 11. Good. Good. अभी थोड़ा सा इसमें चेंज करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. थोड़ा सा इसमें चेंज करते हैं. I'm erasing this. Okay. Take your time and answer. Okay. Don't worry about it. If you want an extra time, tell me, sir, hold. जोर से चिल्लाना, sir, hold. Answer मत दो. Okay. अभी स्टूडेंट्स मैंने बोला साइन स्क्वायर एक्स cos square x, differentiate y with respect to x, sin square x into cos square x. Oh, Aditya has raised a hand first. Janani has also raised a hand. Good. Cross check and I'm going to solve it for everybody. Okay. And then you tell me how many people are getting it correct. Okay, students. Can I solve now? Solve karo?
So wait.
Okay. My students. Okay, now students, come on. Now let me solve it. Okay. Good answer. देखना. अभी ये जो डिफरेंशिएट करेगा ना साइन स्क्वायर एक्स यानी डिफरेंशिएटिंग यानी सपोज अगर मैं लिखूं डिफरेंशिएटिंग यानी dy by dx यानी पूरा डिफरेंशिएट करना है तो सबसे पहले क्या करोगे इसको कांस्टेंट रखोगे u को तो ध्यान से देखना साइन स्क्वायर x होगा डिफरेंट मैं भी पूरा स्टेप वाइज कर रहा हूं cos स्क्वायर x by dx होगा एग्रीड फिर प्लस हम क्या करेंगे b को कांस्टेंट रखेंगे b यानी मेरा cos स्क्वायर x होगा डिफरेंशिएट किसको करेंगे साइन स्क्वायर x by
Sin
dx
square x.
नाउ ध्यान से देखना ये है sin स्क्वायर x तो है ही व्हाट इज डिफरेंशिएटिंग cos स्क्वायर x स्टूडेंट्स डिफरेंशिएटिंग cos स्क्वायर x
-2 cos x sin x.
वेरी गुड तो एक तो 2 आएगा एग्रीड सो cos x रेज टू n minus 1 यानी cos x तो होगा व्हाट इज डिफरेंशिएटिंग cos x स्टूडेंट्स
Minus sin x.
माइनस sin एग्रीड ये टर्म आ जाएगा प्लस cos स्क्वायर x वैसे ही है स्टूडेंट्स ये क्या होगा डिफरेंशिएटिंग sin स्क्वायर x को कैसे लिखोगे
2 sin x cos x.
Sin x. Cos
एंड
x.
व्हाट इज डिफरेंशिएटिंग sin x
Cos x.
cos x now students can I get an answer now see plus into minus ये पूरा multiplication है multiplication 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 so plus into minus minus we're going to say 2 sin x into sin x sin square x sin cube x into cos x plus 2 cos x into cos x cos cube x so this is sin x into cos cube x how many of y'all are getting this answer raise your hand now please those who have done it it's fine but those who have got this answer raise your hand minus 2 sin cube x cos x plus 2 sin x cos cube x 10 students what about the rest of them what about the rest of them Vidya's got it Swati has got it good Adarshini maybe she's not able to explain what about Ada Gauri Meera Om Pathvi did you get it Pathvi Soumya what about you Shreyas kya hai tumhara Tanisha Udit Vidhi what about you
Excuse me,
Vidhi
sir.
yeah
Sir, I have one doubt. Sir, will not change that sin square x which is outside the bracket, right?
yeah
Okay, sir.
u into ये देखो ना u को तुमने डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर रहे हो पहले u को वैसे डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर रहे हो और फिर v को कांस्टेंट डिफरेंशिएट u कर रहे हो और डिफरेंशिएटिंग यानी तुम्हारा पहला वाला टर्म आ गया जो मैंने पहले वाला फॉर्मूला दिया था डिफरेंशिएटिंग sin स्क्वायर x
Yes.
अगर मैंने डिफरेंशिएटिंग sin स्क्वायर x यानी इसको x को sin पकड़ो स्क्वायर मतलब 2 तो 2 बार
Yeah.
आएगा raised to 2 minus 1 and then differentiating sin x is cos x see one thing I made it very clear बहुत ही शांति से धीरे से बताया सब कुछ मैंने धीरे से बताया था
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay, students. Now, can I erase this entirely because this is u plus or minus v method? This is u into v method. Now we go for the ratio. और जिनको ये आ गए अभी रेशियो के अंदर थोड़ा और ध्यान देना, खत्म हो गया फिर डेरिवेटिव्स के अंदर यू विल बी एबल टू क्रैक.
Can you also give one more sum?
वो बाद में दूंगा, डोंट वरी.
Okay.
Okay. Let me finish one more mathematical formula. Okay, students. Now my next formula is with respect to your ratio, students. The ratio method we consider. Is that clear? The quotient rule. So I told you about the sum and difference rule, the product rule, now the quotient rule. Means now suppose if I give you y is equal to u by v. Agreed? U by v method we consider. So इसको कैसे करोगे? dy by dx will be equal to differentiating. ध्यान से सुनना. U by v by dx. And the formula for this. Okay, I'm putting the formula over here only. Formula for the students. U is numerator, V is denominator, students. सबसे पहले तुम V को differentiate नहीं करोगे, U को differentiate करोगे. du by dx. फिर minus sign आएगा. Now you will keep U as it is, differentiate V. Students, those who are writing formulas, please write down properly. U को U की तरह लिखना, V को V की तरफ लिखना. V को U मत बना देना, U को V मत बना देना. ये भी ध्यान में रखना. U को एक पैटर्न में लिखो और V को ऐसे एक पैटर्न में लिखो. तो ये तुम्हें अच्छी तरह से पता होगा कि U कौन सा है तुम्हारा, V कौन सा है. नहीं तो मेरी स्टूडेंट्स दे राइट डाउन UV और बाद में पता चलेगा U भी ऊपर भी U, नीचे भी U. ऊपर V तो नीचे भी V. और फिर बोलेगा आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड मॉमा. Please write down the formulas very properly. Is that clear, students?
Yes.
Upon what? Upon V.
V square.
ये तुम्हारा फॉर्मूला. Now this is the formula given. यानी ध्यान से सुना. पहले V को वैसे रखो, differentiate U, minus U को वैसे रखो, differentiate V upon V square. और नीचे वाला टर्म वैसे का वैसे ही रहेगा throughout the expression. तुम्हारा final answer तो कि V square जो होगा ना, वो टर्म नीचे का नीचे ही रहेगा. Now let me give you a simple question first. Is that clear? Suppose if I give you y is equal to sin x upon cos x. Differentiate dy by dx. So now can you solve it? हम सॉल्व करेंगे साथ में. अभी देखो फॉर्मूला में डायरेक्टली ले रहा हूँ v, यानी ये अभी देखो तुम्हें पता है तो इसको u लिखो और इसको v लिखो, नो प्रॉब्लम. पहले v यानी cos x वैसे ही रखोगे. Differentiating what? sin x by dx. Agree students? फिर माइनस
Yes.
यानी माइनस sin x as it is. इसको डिफरेंशिएट करोगे. So differentiate cos x by dx upon what? V square
Cos square.
Cos square.
cos x the whole square. Now get the answer. ये है cos x. What is differentiating sin x, students?
Cos x.
Cos x minus this is sin x. What is differentiating cos x?
Minus sin x.
Minus sin x upon cos square x. Cos x into cos x.
Cos square.
Cos square x.
Minus into minus
Plus sin square x.
upon.
Cos square x.
What is sin square x plus cos square x?
1.
What is 1 upon cos square x?
Sec square x.
Square x.
What's the value of dy by dx?
Sec square.
नहीं, जब भी तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम देंगे ना स्टूडेंट्स, जब भी अगर ये क्वेश्चन तुम्हारे आगे मेजर टेस्ट में आता है तो तुम्हें देंगे डिफरेंशिएट y is equal to sin x upon cos x, डिफरेंशिएट dy by dx. ऑप्शन ए देंगे sec square x, ऑप्शन बी देंगे 1 cos square x, ऑप्शन सी देंगे tan x. Sin upon cos is also tan, and option D will consider cot x. तो देखो अगर तुम्हें यहाँ पे cos square x के हिसाब से बराबर ध्यान से नहीं दिया तो तुम्हारा देखो, और कोई तो बोलेगा sin x upon cos x tan x is your answer. No my dear, that's a mathematical relation. ये differentiating का है. So when you differentiate, my answer is see the difference. Sin x upon cos x, when you go for the general formula, it's tan x. But when I differentiate this, what is my answer is sec square x.
6 square.
Agreed. Why? Because we are trying to differentiate. We are trying to differentiate function with respect to variable x. और ध्यान से सुनना, ये sin और cos we consider. That means in terms of what we consider a variable dealing with sin with an angle, cos with an angle. क्या ये clear हुआ सबको? Can I erase this now? Can I give you another problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now please, huh? Now do it properly. Now don't mess around with it. Formula is in front of you. और जब मैं रेशियो में देता हूँ ना स्टूडेंट्स, यू भी मैं यू बाई वी में तो लिखूंगा, डोंट वरी, यू उसको ऊपर यू लिखो छोटा सा, नीचे भी लिखो and try to solve it, but get the answer correct. Okay. Now suppose if I give you y is equal to 2x minus 1 upon 3x minus 4. I want to find out dy by dx. Get me the answer. All of y'all solve. Nobody has to give the answer. All of y'all solve. Get a final answer. I'm giving you 2 minutes for this. My time shows 44 seconds, 46 seconds. I'm going to speak about it. Okay, so it's done.
Yes, sir.
Final answer, what you are getting it, I'm putting it. Is the final answer you're getting it as, how many people are getting this? Minus 5 upon, can you tell me the final answer?
3x minus 4 the whole square.
Very good. How many people are getting this answer? Raise your hands. How many people are getting the answer? Minus 5 upon 3x minus 4 the whole square. How many people are getting it? See, out of the strength of 28, just 5 students. Why like that? This is what my sign of worry. क्यों? जब सब कुछ सामने दिया है, everything is written over here, then why do you struggle? Why do you struggle? At least out of 28, there should be 50%, more than 50% of the class should be able to answer to this. Almost 15 students should answer in that case. Okay, now I'm going to solve it. Okay. Answer how to go about this. जब भी तुम dy by dx करते हो ना students, dy by dx, please we'll go for step wise. ये तुम इसको u लो ना, इसको v लो, doesn't matter, तो पहले v है, यानी 3x minus 4 वैसे आया students. अभी मैं like small kiddos we are trying to put forward, okay? ध्यान से सुनना. Differentiating 2x minus 1 by dx. Agreed? Differentiating u. फिर minus u को वैसे रखा मैंने. और क्या करो? Differentiating v. So differentiating 3x minus 4 by dx. क्या इतना क्लियर है स्टूडेंट्स? प्लीज स्टूडेंट्स, is this much part of the board is visible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the answer is good now. Now equal to, sorry, upon v square. Upon v square. v square का मतलब क्या होगा? 3x minus 4 the whole square. यानी स्टूडेंट्स जब एक ऐसे क्वेश्चन देता है ना u by v मेथड, तो तुम्हारा डिनोमिनेटर इज ऑलवेज v स्क्वायर है, तुम्हारे डिनोमिनेटर 3x minus 4 the whole square ही आएगा. यानी जब भी तुम इसके एमसीक्यूज भी सॉल्व करोगे ना स्टूडेंट्स, u by v मेथड, जो v होगा ना उसका स्क्वायर देखना ऑप्शंस में. अगर चारों ऑप्शन में नीचे देते हैं तो तुम्हें पूरा सॉल्व करना जरूरी हो जाएगा. अगर चारों में से किसी दो दिया है तो दो को एलिमिनेट कर सकते हो, दो के ऊपर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना है. अगर चारों में से कोई एक ही दिया है नीचे 20 का, तो वो आंसर आ गया विदाउट सॉल्विंग. तो समझ में आ रहा है हाउ डू स्टूडेंट्स सॉल्व एमसीक्यूज विद अ सर्टेन स्पीड? They don't have to solve
Yes.
completely. They look into the MCQs very carefully in that case. At the same time, their concentration in on the answers also. Now let us solve for this. तो देखो इसको 3x minus 4 ही लिखूंगा. Friends, what is differentiating 2x minus 1? Sir, ये तो
2x,
तुम्हारा
2,
ये तो difference method हो गया. Difference method हो गया. तो differentiating 2x. तो 2 तो constant आएगा students. Into differentiating x यानी वो तो 1 हो जाएगा. Minus 1 यानी dx by dx. Minus differentiating 1 by dx. चलो मैं पूरा लिखता हूँ ना, पूरा लिखता हूँ. Some students might be getting confused over here. That's why I'm writing entirely. अभी इसको देखते हैं. Minus 2x minus 1. Differentiating 3x यानी 3 बार आ जाएगा.
3.
dx by dx आ जाएगा. Minus differentiating 4 by dx. The whole upon 3x minus 4 the whole square. Now इसको solve करते हैं. 3x minus 4. ये देखो dx and dx will get cancelled. ये 2 है. Differentiating constant is always 0. यहाँ पे सिर्फ 2 बचेगा. माइनस साइन है, ये पूरा ब्रैकेट में लिखता हूँ. ये है 2x minus 1. dx will get cancelled. सिर्फ क्या आता है 3. What is differentiating 4? It's a constant. So minus 0. Upon what? 3x minus 4 the whole square. क्या इतना क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स को?
Yes, sir.
All the students who are in the meeting, those students who have got it, fine enough. लेकिन जिसको नहीं मिला, I do feel so 8 to 9 students or 9 to 10 students had got it. I wanted at least more than 15 students. What about the rest of them? Are you able to get it? Is this much clear? हाँ या ना तो बोलो.
Yes, sir.
The d by 4 upon dx, I did not understood that part.
अरे यार तू क्या कर रहा है? हमेशा तो है ना ये फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे देखना, तेरा विजन इधर ही क्यों जाता है? कांस्टेंट टर्म्स को डिफरेंशिएट कर सकता है. dA by dx is equal to 0. बस.
Yes, I understand.
हे भगवान साहब तू क्या कर रहा है साहब, है ना साहब? ये कांस्टेंट डजंट मैटर. पूछ मैंने क्या बोला साहब? तो यहाँ पे कौन somewhat you can take it from a teacher, but at the same time take the explanation also.
Yes.
Okay, that is very important. Doesn't matter if you raise it in that case. Easy हो जाएगा. अभी इसको सॉल्व करो. ये क्या होगा सर? 3 2 6x minus 4 2 8 हो जाएगा. ये होगा 3 2 6, तो minus 6x हो जाएगा in that case. Agreed. ये minus 3 और minus 2 plus 3 हो जाएगा. Agreed. Upon 3x minus 4 the whole square plus 6x minus 6. What is minus 8 plus 3? 5 minus 1. Agreed, students? Students, समझ में आ रहा है students?
Yes.
Can I erase it now?
Yes, sir.
अभी बहुत ही अच्छा प्रॉब्लम दे रहा हूँ, बहुत ही अच्छा प्रॉब्लम दे रहा हूँ. ठीक है, और बहुत इजी भी है. लेकिन जिसने पेशेंस के साथ में सॉल्व किया, फॉर्मूलाज मिटा नहीं रहा हूँ, फॉर्मूलाज तुम्हारे सामने ही रख रहा हूँ. एग्रीड. ये भी फॉर्मूला मैंने यहाँ पे दे दिया है. मैं इसका प्रोडक्ट रूल का भी फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ मैं. If y is equal to u into v dy by dx. Agreed. First we can keep u constant, differentiating dv by dx. Then I can consider V constant differentiating du by d. ये भी फॉर्मूला मैंने लिख दिया बस. रेशियो का भी फॉर्मूला आया, क्वोशिएंट का भी फॉर्मूला आया एंड प्रोडक्ट का भी आया. अब ये जो मैं क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ स्टूडेंट्स, try to figure it out very properly. Okay, let's see how many of you are getting the answer for this. Okay, listen carefully, students. I'm giving you two questions. Okay, and I want them to be cracked by yourself only. Students, is this much part of the board visible? यहाँ तक visible है?
No, sir.
No, sir.
This much
Yes,
is
sir.
visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now listen carefully, students. Okay, the question which I'm giving it to you, students, the first one, first one. Y is equal to e raised to x ln ln x. Okay, find dy by dx. ये पहला क्वेश्चन. Agreed? दूसरा क्वेश्चन भी दे रहा हूँ स्टूडेंट्स. वेट दूसरा क्वेश्चन भी दे रहा हूँ. Y is equal to x ln x upon e raised to x. Find dy by dx. Chalo. I'm giving you all complete 4 minutes. 2 minutes for this, 2 minutes for this. बहुत शांति से करना. सामने सब कुछ लिखा है, सामने सब कुछ दिया हुआ है. डिफरेंशिएट का, डिफरेंशिएटिंग ln x is 1 by x, डिफरेंशिएटिंग ex is ex. Oh, somebody raised it. Aditi, so fast you are. Good, Aditi. And please, the rest of the students also, those who are not answering. Very good. Sanjana also got it. If you're raising hand, please see to it that you are correct. Huh? Don't be in a rush. Take an extra 30 seconds. Get answers correct. Gain your confidence. And please do not, if you see anywhere in the modules also, do not look into the modules, please. Don't try to take hints from anywhere. Take hints from me. Okay, now I could see 4 hands raised. So 4 students have completed. I'm giving you 1 more minute extra, students. Suhani, Khyati, Sneha, Sanchana, Aditi, these are all girl power, yaar. सारी लड़कियां इतना strongly जा रही है. What about Om? I don't know, Pranshu, what about South, Shreyas? क्या करो तुम लोग? Sparsh. Yana, get the answer fast. Okay, students, now I'm going to solve it. Please, those who have got the answer, I'm going to solve it. Kindly cross check your answer. First one, when I'm doing it, e raised to x ln x, I have to see it the question. Okay, please pay attention, students. When you see this question, you should simply say, so there are two variables in this case. So I'll go for product rule, UV method. UV method कौन सा है? सर ये वाला फॉर्मूला आ गया. तो dy by dx का आंसर अगर मुझे चाहिए तो मैं क्या लिखूंगा? u यानी e raised to x को मैं कांस्टेंट रखूंगा. डिफरेंशिएटिंग ln x by dx होगा प्लस v को कांस्टेंट रखूंगा. डिफरेंशिएटिंग e raised to x by dx होगा. Solving it further, ex. What is differentiating ln x? Differentiating ln x is 1 by x into, sorry, ये तो मैं फिर into 1 by x. Agreed. Plus ln x. Differentiating e raised to x.
E
Differentiating
raised to x.
e raised to x itself only. So what's my answer for this will be e raised to x upon x plus ln x e raised to x. Is this clear? The only thing I can do it is e raised to x. I can remove it common 1 by x plus ln x. Is this clear, students? This is your final answer. You can consider. How many of you have got this correctly? ये बहुत सारे students को मिलना चाहिए. How many of you are getting it? How many of you are getting it? 12 students. Very good. Very good. Very good. I'm happy. Tisha is also getting. Naina is also getting. Janan is also getting. Good. Good. 15 students are getting it. Very good. Soumya, Swati, Yana got it. क्या बात है? Tanishta, Sara, very good. Adishni has also got it. Okay. Shreyas, क्या हो रहा है Shreyas? What about you guys? Shreyas. Okay. Sona, what about you, Sona? Sona, क्या हो रहा है तुम्हें? Sona. Are you there, Sona? Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
तो क्या मिल रहा है कि नहीं मिल रहा है Sona? हाँ?
So, my answer was wrong.
क्यों? कहाँ पे गलत गए? पहले में गलत गए, दूसरे में गलत गए?
First one.
It's e raised to x answer. It is differentiating. And see, it seems why you went wrong, you know, because you must be looking at the differentiation over here. Ln x मैंने differentiation यहाँ पे लिखा है. तो शायद तुम्हारी नजर वहाँ पे नहीं है सोना, है ना? You're not able to copy it from the question paper only. Sona, you're a very good student then. Doesn't matter, but hope that you have understood, Sona. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now please get into the next one. The next one we consider 2000 students. Okay, y is equal to x ln x we consider upon ex. Now this is slightly different in that case, students. तो ये क्या होगा? तुम्हारा u मेथड होगा. इसको मैं u लेता हूँ, इसको मैं v लेता हूँ. Using a reading for the students. Now go on to instincts, please students. Go on to instincts. सबसे पहले तुम क्या करोगे? सर आपने v को लिखा है, तुम्हें e raised to x. डिफरेंशिएटिंग क्या करोगा?
X ln x.
x ln x by dx. फिर माइनस साइन आएगा. x ln x कॉमन डिफरेंशिएट नहीं करोगे. डिफरेंशिएट किसको करोगे? ex अपॉन dx.
E raised to
नीचे ex raised to the power of 2. Agreed, students?
Yes, sir.
yes.
Now
sir.
solving it for the, इसको हम सॉल्व करते हैं. ये ex होगा. What is differentiating x
1
ln
by
x?
x.
Okay, so if in case of happen to consider, can I say x तो बाहर आई गई? Agreed? What is differentiating ln x? 1 by x.
1 by
1 by x.
Agreed? Is this clear? Minus, ये तो bracket close हो गया. Minus x ln x. What is differentiating ex by x? dx. ex यहाँ आएगा. Agreed, students? Is this clear with all of you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Upon what? Upon what?
X the whole square.
ex the whole square. Now can you solve this? This will get cancelled. Students, यहाँ पे e raised to x है, e raised to x है, नीचे ex raised to 2 है, तो can I remove e raised to x common?
Yes, sir.
Agreed? Agreed, students? तो अगर मैं e raised to x common निकाल देता हूँ, ध्यान से देखना, तो ये e raised to x, ये e raised to x, और ये स्क्वायर है, तो उसमें से ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Agreed? तो बचा क्या? What is Mom's final answer? चलिए, तो 1 होगा
1 minus x ln x upon e raised to x.
ln x upon e raised to
E raised
x.
to x.
Is this clear with all of you all? Students, are you getting this?
yes, sir.
Are you getting it?
Sir, in
Is
this case, we have to take x as the constant.
एक second, Amma. Is this clear with all of you all? Are you getting, how many of you are getting this answer? How many of you are getting this answer? Adarsh is getting it, Soumya is getting it. But very important, students, everybody has missed out a very important term. X
No, it's not
into
now.
ln x. Students, यहाँ पे कौन सा मेथड यूज होगा?
The product rule.
Product
The
rule.
rule, sir.
So this answer is incorrect. Please students, see, many students will try to go in this manner and then they'll solve and they'll get the answer in this case. लेकिन ये वैसे नहीं, ये तुम्हारा product rule आएगा. Now I'm going to solve this entire. मैं वापस से solve कर रहा हूँ दूसरा part. Are you getting it? I'm erasing this part, students. So see, you can't just rush. You can't just rush. You need to understand कि नहीं वो वहाँ पे product आ रहा है. There are two variables given to you. और दोनों को differentiate करना है. तो वहाँ पे तुम्हारा product rule तो 110% आएगा. Okay, students. So now again, I'm giving you the same question. Okay, so question is what exactly? And this was a tricky one. Huh? This was the toughest one, students. Agreed. And such kind of question, if in case of it asked, please go very slowly. Doesn't matter in that case. The question was, students, y is equal to what exactly I'd given to you? X ln x upon e raised to x. Okay. I'd ask you dy by dx. So what exactly the method I'll consider over here is? So first you keep UV method we consider. तो मैंने v को constant रखा, v को differentiate किया. Differentiating what? X ln x by dx. Agreed. Minus u. So this is u yani x ln x differentiate ex by dx. क्या ये clear हुआ? Upon v square यानी ex the whole square. The first step exactly as it is I've put it. Is this clear with everybody?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे भी ध्यान दो, ये जो तुम्हारा x और ln x है ना, जब भी तुम देखोगे ना स्टूडेंट्स, तो यहाँ पे तुम्हारा ये uv मेथड होगा. It's a product rule. There are two such variables given to you. तो be careful with this. यानी तुम ex लोगे तो यहाँ पे इसको u लो और यहाँ पे इसको भी लो. पहले इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. Now what is uv method we consider? So x को constant रखते हैं. Differentiating ln x by dx. Then you have a plus sign. So plus sign. v यानी क्या होगा? ln x differentiating x by dx. I'll consider close the bracket. ये देखो uv method आ गया. ध्यान से देखना. What is uv method? u differentiating v plus v differentiating u. Then next term minus x ln x. This is differentiating e raised to x by dx, the whole upon ex the whole square. Now students solving it, e raised to x ऐसे आ गया. ये तुम्हारा x आया. What is differentiating ln x?
1 up.
1 by x plus ln x. What is differentiating dx by dx we consider? So that will get cancelled.
1.
That is equal to 1 itself only. Agreed? ये bracket close हुआ minus x ln x. What is differentiating ex?
Ex.
Ex.
Upon ex raised to the
Yes.
power of. Now can I cancel ex? Students, can I cancel ex? Yes. ये तुम्हारा ex यहाँ पे है, ये भी ex है, तो दोनों में से ex को बाहर निकालो, नीचे स्क्वायर है तो ये इससे कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तब देखो what exactly is left over. सर ये भी कैंसिल हो गया. Are you getting it? So what exactly my answer will be? So it's 1 plus ln x minus x ln x upon e raised to x. Is this clear with everybody, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is your final answer. And when they give you ratio of u by v, dy by dx, students, your formula will be v du by dx minus u du by dx upon v square. लेकिन यहाँ पे देखो मेरे दो variables हैं, x ln x. So go for UV method. Keeping u constant, differentiating v, keeping v constant, differentiating v. Put down this as your solution and this is your final answer. Hope this part is clear with all the students. Please, all the students, those who are right now into the meeting. Okay. Yana, are you getting it? Sparsh, Vidhi, Paul, are you getting it? Sparsh, तुम्हें मिल रहा है Sparsh? Sparsh, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm getting.
समझ में आ रहा है तुम्हें?
Yes, sir.
Yana, are you getting it? Yana? Yana, where are you? Okay, she's showing me a thumbs up. Shona, Shona, what about you, Shona? Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Tisha, Tanishta, Swati, Suhani, Shreyash.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Om, Naina, Meera. Okay, now can I erase the students? Can I erase this complete board?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Now I'll be giving you certain questions to solve it, okay? Now listen carefully, students, okay? Please listen carefully, students. Okay, just have a look at, if you have the modules, you can look into it, okay? Because I just wanted to crack these, think about this, and then identically I'll give you questions onto that. Page number 3030. Okay, 3030 if you have it. Illustrations 8 and illustration 9. I'm going to solve illustration 8 because it's a solved one, doesn't matter. Illustration 9, you all are going to do it. Or usi ke identical, I'll give you questions from unsolved ones, okay? Ab answer likhna, students, 8th wala. How does this holds true in physics? Now with answer देखना, the rate of change of radius of a sphere with respect to time. If you are able to read the question, I'm speaking about page number 30. Everybody look at the module. The rate of change of radius of a sphere with respect to time is given as 4 centimeter per second. Find the rate of change of volume when the radius is 50 centimeters. Now I'll read the question and I'm going to put down the data very slowly. The answer is now. The rate of change of radius of a sphere, यानी तुम्हें कोई sphere दिया हुआ है, उसका radius change हो रहा है, ये center है, उसका radius change हो रहा है, उसका मतलब क्या होगा? बोले सर उसका शायद radius बढ़ भी सकता है या radius कम भी होता है, और वो बढ़ना कम होना depends with respect to time because उन्होंने rate बोल दिया है. तो rate of change of radius of a sphere with respect to time, so dr by dt, differentiating radius with respect to time, कितना दिया है? सर radius तो distance है, time second है, 4 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड. और जो स्टूडेंट थोड़ा सा भी स्मार्ट होगा ना, वो यूनिट को देखेगा, सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड. सो ना सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड यानी डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम, तो r by t आएगा. That's how you have to find out. Now the question asks is find the rate of change of volume. Find the rate of change of volume. That means I want dv by dt. तो मुझे बताओ स्टूडेंट्स, what will be the unit of this? इसका फाइनल आंसर क्या यूनिट होगा?
सेंटीमीटर क्यूब पर सेकंड.
वेरी गुड. तो इसका आंसर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब सेकंड इनवर्स में आएगा. So find out the rate of volume. Okay, change of volume when radius is 50 centimeter. कभी when radius is 50 centimeter. क्या क्वेश्चन क्लियर हुआ सबको? क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर विद एवरीवन? अभी देखो हम इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. रेडियस बढ़ भी सकता है, यानी द रेडियस इज चेंजिंग इन दिस केस. हाउ टू गो अबाउट विद इट? टू स्टार्ट ऑफ विद सर वॉल्यूम, रेडियस, geometrical object is sphere. Sir, can I use the volume of the sphere? Yes, sir. I've learned it in my 10th standard solid geometry. Surface area volume. So it's 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Agreed. Now look at the given and what is to be question mark. What is question mark? dv by dt. यानी sir you have to differentiate volume with respect to time. हो गया, आ गया तुम्हारा. यानी इसको देखो, ध्यान से देखना. सपोज अगर मैंने स्टूडेंट्स पूछा था y is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Students differentiate dy by dt. तो तुम क्या करते? चेन रूल यूज करते कि नहीं यूज करते? हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, क्या करते? dy by dt into dr by dr करते हैं. अभी देखो थोड़ा स्पीडी जा रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे स्पीडी जा रहा हूँ मैं क्योंकि ये तुम्हें सिखा दिया है. तो क्या होगा? dy by dt will be equal to what? Sir, dy by
dr into dr by dt.
वेरी गुड. ये चेन रूल हो गया. यानी मैं इसको डिफरेंशिएट करूंगा विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. तो इसको डिफरेंशिएट करो तो बोलेगा 4 upon 3 pi कांस्टेंट होगा. स्टूडेंट्स कैन यू से डिफरेंशिएटिंग r cube by 3 कितना होगा? सॉरी, r cube कितना होगा? डिफरेंशिएटिंग r cube by dr कितना? 3r square. That's how it is. तो आंसर मिल जाएगा. अभी इसको हम डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे. Listen carefully, students. How to go about the differentiation. So please pay attention. अगर तुम्हें चेन रूल के अलावा डायरेक्टली भी तुम कर सकते हो स्टूडेंट्स, डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते हो. तुम्हें वॉल्यूम पूछा है तो तुम्हें सर तुमने बोला कि सर आपको डी बाई डी चाहिए ना, तो डिफरेंशिएटिंग वॉल्यूम विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. तो सर क्या मैं ऐसा कर सकता हूँ? डिफरेंशिएटिंग 4 upon 3 pi r cube upon time. क्यों नहीं कर सकते हो ना? यानी तुम डिफरेंशिएट न्यूमरेटर को करो. सर न्यूमरेटर में तो 4 upon 3 pi कांस्टेंट है. आपने बोला था कांस्टेंट टर्म्स को डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर सकते, तो निकाल दो ना कॉमन बार, ये कांस्टेंट बार निकाल दो. 4 upon 3 बार आ गया. अभी क्या बचा? ध्यान से देखना. अभी बचा तुम्हारा डिफरेंशिएटिंग r cube by dt. आई एम डूइंग स्टेप बाय स्टेप्स, which is equal to 4 upon 3y. Differentiating dr cube by dt. Students, तो क्या होगा? Differentiating x raised to n. What's the formula? अभी देखो फॉर्मूला मैंने मिटा दिए. Differentiating x raised to n. So n into x raised to n minus 1. लेकिन नीचे वाला टर्म dr नहीं है, it's dt है. Therefore I can write on dr by dt. मैंने हमेशा ये बोला हुआ है, हमेशा. ध्यान से वापस इसी को मैं कंसेप्ट बता रहा हूँ. एवरीबॉडी बी विथ मी एंड थिंक अगेन व्हाट डिड आई टेल यू. सपोज इफ आई गिव यू y is equal to sin x. Now listen students, अगर मैंने पूछा students what is dy by dx, so what is the answer? तो बोलेगा सर differentiating sin x by dx into dx by dx होता है हमेशा, जो हम लिखते नहीं इसको 1 लिख देते भाई. What is differentiating sin x? cos x. ये तुम्हारा आंसर हो गया. लेकिन अगर मैं पूछूं y is equal to, the answer सुनना students, y is equal to sin theta, the answer देखना. और अगर मैंने पूछा क्वेश्चन students differentiate dy by dx, तो तुम क्या करोगे? सर differentiating sin theta by dx, तो सर differentiating sin theta तो आ जाएगा cos theta, लेकिन I have to go for in terms of theta we consider. So can I put in terms of, suppose not dx, I consider dt with respect to time. Okay, so can I run d theta, यानी ये आ गया तुम्हारा cos theta. Now can I write the rest of the part will be d theta by dt. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ? पहले केस में it was with respect to x only, so dx gets cancel. लेकिन अगर ये वेरिएबल और ये वेरिएबल अलग है तो that will be d theta by dt in the bracket. सेम थिंग over here, देखो 3r raised to 3 minus 1 dr by dt बाहर आ गया. क्या ये पार्ट सबको क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Everybody, all of you all, please, this is a very important part. Agar if you don't get this part of it, you will not be able to crack such kind, and maybe in the examination you'll be getting such kind of questions. Physics related hoge questions because you're doing physics. Oh, is it clear? Naina,
Yes, sir.
Sonas, Swati, Kanishta,
Yes, sir.
Parsh, Yana, Ada. Okay. Now solving it further, क्या आंसर आएगा देखो ध्यान से. सर 4/3 pi into 3 into r square into dr by dt. सर ऐसा करते नहीं, 3 तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा, यानी 4 pi, रेडियस कितना दिया सर? 50 दिया है, तो कहने से 50 स्क्वायर का मतलब क्या होगा? 2500. हाउ मच इज dr by dt? 4 दिया है, एग्रीड. तो कहने से 25 4s are 100, तो कहने से दिस इज 10 raised to 4 4 pi 10 raised to 4. What is the answer? Centimeter cube second inverse. So can I say 40,000 pi? Check your answer over there. Have they written 40,000 pi? क्या ये clear हुआ सबको? For example. Everyone's clear? Now can I go for simultaneously the next one? Simultaneously के नीचे वाला. So exactly identical, okay? I'm not erasing this, okay? Now let's go for the next one. Students, the radius of a cone is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeters per second. Now suppose if I give you a cone and its radius is increasing, and the students dr by dt is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeters per second. If the apex angle does not change, यानी apex angle यानी पूरा, अगर ये अपेक्स एंगल चेंज नहीं होता तो कह रहे हैं ये इसका आधा भी चेंज नहीं हुआ, ये भी चेंज नहीं हुआ. सपोज लेट मी टेक दिस मच इज थीटा, सेमी वर्टिकल एंगल आधा, यानी अपेक्स एंगल चेंज होगा, यानी पूरा एंगल चेंज, तो ये थीटा भी चेंज नहीं होगा, यानी ये कांस्टेंट हो गया. सी द हिंट दे गिविंग इन द क्वेश्चन, इफ द अपेक्स एंगल डज नॉट चेंज, उसका मतलब थीटा इज नॉट चेंजिंग, तो दैट इज अ कांस्टेंट. दैट इज अ कांस्टेंट एंड कांस्टेंट विल ऑलवेज बी आउट इन द डिफरेंशिएशन पार्ट ऑफ इट. इसलिए तुम्हें ये हिंट दे दिया है कि जहां का थीटा रिलेटेड आएगा ना, साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा tan थीटा, वो पूरा कांस्टेंट हो जाएगा, उसको डिफरेंशिएट नहीं करना है. ये हिंट दे दिया क्वेश्चन के अंदर. इफ द अपेक्स एंगल डज नॉट चेंज, यानी वो कांस्टेंट हो गया. फाइंड द रेट ऑफ चेंज इन हाइट. ओ dh by dt पूछा है, and ये हाइट. फाइंड द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ हाइट when radius is 5 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. अब इसको कैसे करोगे? ध्यान से फर्स्ट लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन. Now a student says, sir, dr by dt चेंज हो रहा है, यानी आप बोल रहे हो रेडियस चेंज हो रहा है. कोई स्टूडेंट जो भी स्मार्ट होगा वो तुरंत तुरंत will say, sir, you mean to say, can I understand in this manner? Why not? That means if I try to go for my original triangle as A, B, C, this was my cone, A, B, C. And let me take, this is my complete angle, तो ये मेरा angle theta है, ये मेरा R है और ये मेरा H है. Sir, अगर आपने radius को कम कर दिया, then what's happening in that case? So अगर radius को कम कर दिया, ध्यान से सुना students. So can I say my radius will be over here, my radius will be over here. Correspondingly, there will be change in position of A. My A also will be somewhere over here. ये देखो ये A dash आएगा, ये B dash आया है, C dash construct. Look at this angle. Look at this angle, students. अरे सर ये तो दो ट्राइंगल सिमिलर है, ये एंगल चेंज ही नहीं हो रहा है. ये तुम्हारा मैथ्स का कांसेप्ट है कि स्टूडेंट्स सिमिलैरिटी. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल आई शोन इन दिस मैनर. दिस एंगल एंड दिस एंगल करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल, ये दोनों पैरेलल हो जाएंगे. अच्छा चलो सर रेडियस बढ़ाओ, रेडियस बढ़ाते हैं हम कोण का. ध्यान से देखना रेडियस बढ़ता है, यानी सी को यहाँ पे लेता हूँ मैं, सी डबल डैश. तो यहाँ पे भी सी डबल डैश, जी डबल डैश वहां पे चला जाएगा. ए क्या होगा, ए भी डबल डैश यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. अब इसको ज्वाइन करो, कौन बनाओ, कौन बनाओ. अरे सर ये भी इसको पैरेलल चला गया. सर अगर ये थीटा है, ये थीटा है, तो ये भी थीटा होगा. मेरा वर्टेक्स एंगल चेंज ही नहीं हो रहा है. क्या समझ में आया क्वेश्चन?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood the maths behind the physics part of it? If you understand this, you will be able to now crack it. Are you getting it? So radius, if it's increasing or decreasing, the height will also increase or decrease in proportion. Exactly, but the vertex angle remains constant. Now let us go for it. Now, what exactly I'll go for it? So if you happen to consider this, we can simply go for your relation in terms of it. कि तुम्हें थीटा दिया है, तो मैं यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम तो नहीं लूंगा मैं, क्योंकि वॉल्यूम के बारे में बात ही नहीं हो रही है, कोन की वॉल्यूम के बारे में बात ही नहीं हो रही है. तो यहाँ पे तुम्हारा रिलेशन क्या होगा सर, tan थीटा. tan थीटा क्या है, ऑपोजिट अपॉन एडजेसेंट, तो r by h होगा. तुम्हें किसका डिफरेंशिएशन दिया है, रेडियस का दिया है, तो कैन आई मेक r as a subject, h into tan theta. Is this much clear with everybody?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, can I differentiate both the sides with respect to what? Time. Radius is increasing or decreasing. Height will increase or decrease, but theta remains constant, and that is increasing and decreasing is dependent on time. So differentiating r with respect to time, differentiating h tan theta with respect to time, dr by dt will be equal to, students, is this vertex angle changing or remaining constant?
Constant.
Constant. So do I differentiate tan theta or should I remove tan theta outside as a constant?
Tan
अगर यानी tan theta, अगर मैंने differentiate tan theta, what is differentiation of tan theta will be?
X square
x square theta.
Exactly. So in that case, यहाँ पे तो तुम्हारा constant है, इसको बाहर निकाल दो. tan theta बाहर आ गया, ये differentiate होगा तो क्या होगा, dh by dt. Agreed? पूछा क्या तुम्हें, देखो सब्जेक्ट क्या है तुम्हारा, dh by dt.
dh by dt.
dr by dt, सर वो तो मुझे मालूम है. What is tan theta? Opposite upon adjacent.
5 by 8.
Now see, can I get my answer? अरे हाँ सर, dr by dt दिया है 2 into h यहाँ पे आएगा, r नीचे चला जाएगा, and that is dh by dt. Solving it, how much is h? How much is h given to me? 8. How much is r given to me? 5. What's my answer? 16 by 5.
16 by 5.
So what's my answer, students? 16 by 5. Height upon time.
Centimeter per
Centimeter per
second.
second. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ students?
Yes, sir.
One question, last question. Everybody solve this and get me the answer. Last question, is that clear? Page number, listen carefully, page number 42. Page number 42. Question number 1. Exercise 3, question number 1. You do a small example, sir, please. So I'm erasing this. Page number 42, exercise number 3, first question. I'll read the first part. A circular disc of radius 3 centimeter.
So that
Got the answer?
yes, sir.
0.15.
Okay, friends, let me solve this. Okay, last one. Okay, just a minute, 1 minute. Okay. The question is, students, a circular disc of radius 3 centimeters. So now they're given to a disc, just a radius 3 centimeters given to you. Okay, a 5 rupee coin is being heated. इसको हम heat करेंगे तो क्या होगा? वो expand होगा. Due to expansion, its radius increases. So at the rate of, so dr by dt is given to us how much?
0.05.
Centimeter per second, students. Find the rate at which area is increasing. Area यानी dA by dt पूछा. Agreed. Area is increasing when the radius is given to us how much? 3.2 centimeter. Now, students, can you tell me what exactly area means increasing? That means what exactly we take it?
Pi r square.
Pi r
Pi
square.
r square.
Pi r
यानी हम see one thing, कहाँ पे भी तुम्हारे बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट सोचेंगे सर एरिया का मतलब टॉप सरफेस वी कंसीडर एंड द कर्व. नो, थिकनेस इज नेग्लिजिबल बिकॉज़ थिकनेस के बारे में कुछ बताया नहीं है. तो सिंपली आई हैव नीड टू फाइंड द इंक्रीजिंग एरिया वी कंसीडर. इंक्रीज इन एरिया तो क्या करोगे? व्हाट्स द फार्मूला फॉर एरिया स्टूडेंट्स? पाई आर स्क्वायर. आई वांट dA by dt तो क्या करोगे? डिफरेंशिएटिंग बोथ द साइड्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. एग्रीड? So dA by dt will be differentiating pi r square by dt. Agreed? Is pi a constant, students?
Yes, sir.
Agreed? So in that case, pi will be a constant in this case. Differentiating dr square by dt. So pi, what is differentiating dr square by dt, students? So they go 2 r raised to 2 minus 1 into dr by dt. Is this clear? Chain rule again.
Yes.
अगर मैं इसको dr by dr लेता तो कैंसिल हो जाता. Now see, pi 2 r raised to 1 dr by dt. Now solve and get pi 2. How much is r given to me? Into 3.2. How much is dr by dt given to me? 0.05. Can you solve and get the answer? What's your answer?
0.32 pi centimeter.
0.32 pi.
Into what exactly answer is? 0.325. What exactly getting it?
Centimeter square.
Centimeter square.
Yes. So your answer will be somewhere, if you check it, please try to check it. Are you getting 0.3205 centimeters square per second? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
And that's the answer given in your module also at the end of it, the value. क्या ये clear हुआ सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So students, next lecture I've put the homework students. Exercise 3 में से इसी में से next question 42 page number 42 second and third करना है जो इसी टाइप का है. Page number 43 पे question number 8 question number 9 करना है. Page number 38 section 1 के सारे questions करना है. Section 2 के 11, 14, 19, 21, 23. Okay. Page number 38, section 1, all question. Section 2, 11, 14, 19, 21, 23. Page number 43, 8 and 9. Exercise 3, page number 42, 2 and 3.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next lecture will be continuing further exercise. Okay. And we'll do integration on that particular day. Okay. Shall we wind up now?
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Formulas revise karna, please. Okay. Shall we?
Bye, sir.
Bye.